Hi, I'm Kathy. Welcome back to poshportage.com, espresso machines in Los Angeles. Today we're going to make a macchiato, and we're using the Jura X9. And let me start out by showing you the features of the hose. These people at Jura think of everything. If you notice, at the bottom of these hoses, they have little cutouts. These cutouts prevent the hose from sticking to the bottom of your 1 gallon milk container or any other container you use to hold the milk before you froth it. Okay, let's stick those back in the milk receptacle. Today we're using this one so you can actually see the mechanism work better from the outside. Okay, one macchiato coming up. Let's push a button, lower the spouts. That's a powerful steam. First, the machine dispenses the warm milk, or hot milk. And then, as you can see, the second hose is used, and it dispenses the frothed milk. You now have a combination of warm or hot milk and frothed milk. After this, the machine will grind the coffee beans and dispense 2 shots of espresso. The finished product will be a 3-layered beverage. Absolutely beautiful. There you have it, your macchiato with the push of a button. Doesn't get easier than that. Thank you for watching poshportage.com.